Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to send an email in your Gmail client. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by selecting the blue Compose button on our Gmail profile here. And now you go ahead and type in whatever email body you want. It doesn't really matter. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and put a subject line in here if you choose to do so. If you want to have a subject, you don't have to. It just would say no subject, but I will put in a subject line here. And then in the recipients field, just go ahead and type in an email address or paste in an email address you want it to go to. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and select the send button. And then you can see that I just sent it to myself, and you can see what it's going to look like on the receiver end here. I have that new email that just came in. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.